Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve x times 27 to the power x is equal to 1, or divided both sides by x we can write 27 to the power x is equal to 1 over x, or raising both sides power by 1 over x, we can write 27 to the power x whole to the power 1 over x is equal to 1 over x whole to the power 1 over x, or this x and x will cancel out, so it will remain 27 is equal to 1 over x whole to the power 1 over x, or 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3. Here 3 to the power 3 is 27 is equal to 1 over x whole to the power 1 over x, or according to this formula, a to the power a is equal to b to the power b, then a is equal to b. So applying this in here, comparing 3 as a to the power a is equal to 1 over x as b to the power b. So comparing this, 3 will be 1 over x. So we can write 3 is equal to 1 over x, or multiplying both sides by x, we will have 3 times x is equal to 1 over x times x is equal to 1. Now divided both sides by 3, we will have the value x is equal to 1 over 3. So this is the solution of the given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.